Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your Blue Cross Blue Shield member dashboard, secure login guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the Blue Cross Blue Shield website URL. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, look for the member login option. This is usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the member login link. You will be redirected to the member login page. Here, you will see fields for your username and password. If you already have a username and password, enter them in the respective fields. If you do not have an account, look for an option to create one. Follow the prompts to register for a new account. Once you've entered your credentials, double-check for accuracy. If everything looks correct, click on the Login button. After a few moments, you will be taken to your member dashboard. If you encounter any issues, check to ensure your internet connection is stable. You can also use the Forgot Username or Password link for assistance. Follow the prompts to retrieve your login information if necessary. Upon successful login, you can explore your dashboard. Here, you will find various resources and information relevant to your account. If you have any further questions, visit the customer support section for help. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.